Hello, here we go. One of Mark found a link that is a bad link on one of the pages on his website. So what we're going to do is make a quick video of how to fix this. In this instance, the bad link is located on the page on his website called the Tao. So we're going to go to that page. We're using as the main theme on the site, we're using Divi. So Divi WordPress theme, and we are going to edit with Divi. So when you go to the page, you'll notice a little sub menu pop up. We're going to click on that, edit with Divi. And we're going to let that load. All right, here's our page, and we're in edit with Divi mode, meaning Divi is the block editor. So you'll see as I hover over sections, we get these little toolbars that pop up to let us edit different parts of modules on the website. The bad link that he found is connected to one of the books on the page, and it was the Tao of Pooh is the link that is bad. So we're going to edit that link. And to do that, we're just going to, we're only concerned with that one. So we're going to click on the module settings for that particular one. And we're going to find the link, which is here. So this is the link that we no longer want. We're just going to highlight that and delete it. And then I found another link, a way to get that book on Amazon. So I'm going to copy that link. And then I'm going to paste it in our image link URL option. We have that opening in a new tab. And then boom, we're going to save that. Now, because the Tao of Pooh and the Tao of Piglet, I know that those two may be coming from the same site. So I'm just going to check that out real quick. We're going to see what that link is. That was also already coming from Amazon. So that link is likely still good. But just for fun, we're going to copy it and we're going to paste it up here and just see where that takes us. Beautiful. There we go. Okay, so we know that we're good there. Now we made those changes. We saved them in those modules, but we've not saved the page. So we want to make sure that we do that by clicking save. Now we've saved the changes to the page, and we can go back to our dashboard to do whatever is next. Okay.